Hello student, today we will discuss normal distribution. This distribution is also called Gaussian distribution because Gauss invented this distribution in 1733. This is the most important distribution in the probability distribution. Almost 50 to 60% problems can be solved if you know the normal distribution and its phenomena. You have to really understand before you apply the normal distribution, and it has a greater impact in both probability as well as statistics. So, first of all, if we discuss what is a normal distribution, then capital X is a continuous random variable which follows normal distribution with two parameters, mu and sigma. Mu is the mean of the distribution and sigma is the standard deviation of the distribution. Now, normal distribution, if you draw the curve, this is normal when it is starting from minus infinity to plus infinity, and obviously this is the its mean is mu. Then mu must have the maximum height. If you go for kurtosis or skewer discussion, that another discussion. But mainly, every other distribution is compared to normal distribution. How the curve is smoothly followed compared to normal distribution. That much important it is. So, normal distribution basically used as a reference for other distribution. Now, if we discuss the normal distribution, normal to standard normal. How it can be transformed to a normal distribution to standard normal distribution? That is very important. The variable name is x in normal distribution, and standard normal variable name is z. And this z is a transformation from x to z. Look, this is the transformation. Z equals to x minus mu divided by sigma. Here, the mean for equals to 0 and standard deviation SD is equals to 1, where this is the mean is equals to mu and standard deviation is sigma. So this way you can transform a normal distribution to a standard normal distribution. Now some probability formula you need to know when you are finding the probability of a problem through non-standard normal distribution. What are they? First of all, f of x. This is cumulative distribution function. This is equals to probability from minus infinity less than x less than small x. So here we can write f of minus infinity in probability from minus infinity to minus infinity. That's why it is equals to 0. F of infinity is equals to minus infinity to infinity. That's why it is equals to 1. F of 0 is equals to 1 by 2. This is the distribution divide this curve very easily. This is also 0.5 and this is also 0.5. That's why minus infinity to if it is 0, then this is equals to half. Next, f of minus c is equals to 1 minus f of c. And probability from c less than x less than d is equal to f of d minus f of c. These are the probability you need to remember when you are finding a probability through standard normal distribution. Now we'll go for a problem. Here are lots of problems are given. The first problem, it is uniformly distributed, so it cannot be solved. The weight of student in a college normally distributed, so this can be solved by normal distribution. So what's the problem? The weight of the student in a college is normally distributed with mean equals to 40 and SD equals to 5. So I have tried to solve the question number 22. So first, what you write? 22 solution. First write mean mu equals to 40, HD sigma equals to 5. This is the first variable. Therefore, capital X follows normal distribution with 40, comma 5. This is the first line you will write. Next, look, greater than 40 kg. You are finding the probability for greater than 40 kg. First question, greater than 40 kg. So, probability of X greater than 40. After writing this, you will transfer this equation from X to Z with the same formula, X minus mu divided by sigma. So I'm writing probability of X minus mu divided by sigma greater than 40. What is the mu value? It's equals to 40 and sigma value is equals to 5. So you are getting probability of Z greater than 0. Z greater than 0. So this can be written as 1 minus f of 0. This is greater than probability. So this is 1 minus f of 0. So f of 0 is equals to half and that's why it is equals to 0.5. This is the first answer. Now next question. This is greater than 50. Greater than 50. Okay. So number 2, you are finding probability of x greater than 50. So now we can write directly z greater than 50 minus 40 divided by 5. So you are getting is equals to 2. So this is equals to also this is greater than, so you have to write 1 minus f of 2. Now you need to find the value, the given value, whether it is given or not. Phi of 2. This is the value. Phi of 2 equals to 0.999772. So 9772 is equals to 1 minus 0.9772. We are getting 0.228. So this is the second probability. Number 3, it is between 38 and 50. So between 38 and 52, between the probability, sorry, probability of 38 less than x less than 52. So you will look same thing, 38 minus 40 divided by 5 less than z less than 52 minus 40 divided by 5. We are getting probability of 2 divided by 4 means minus 0.4 less than z less than 2.4, this one. So as we have no probability of C less than Z less than D, means phi of D minus phi of minus 0.4. So this is equals to phi of 2.4 and it can be written as 1 minus phi of 0.4. So you are getting phi of 2.4 plus phi of 0.4 minus 1. Now we will find it, the values for phi value. 0.4 equals to 0.6554 and 9918. 0.9918. 6554 6 6 5 5. So and you will get the result by the this discussion. Now we will look. We want to find another probabilities. Acha, one more thing. This problem told you to find the percentage. So multiply by 100, you will easily find it. Acha, this is one type problem which can be solved by normal distribution. Another problem which 24 problem or 25. These are the another type of. In this problem, the probabilities will be given to you, and you need to find the its mean and its standard deviation. So I am trying to solve another problem. Let me go for 25. Why I am choosing 25? Because of easy calculation, nothing else. So I'm reading the question. In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 55. So let we write that what information we get. 31% of the item are under 55. So first 31% of the item means probability of capital X less than under 55 equals to 31%, meaning in terms of probability 0.31. So this is the first information. And next information we have 8% are above 64, find the mean and standard deviation. So 8% are above 64. Mean probability of x greater than 64 equals to 8% means 0.08. Okay. Let mean equals to mu and SD equals to sigma. These are the two assumptions, mean equals to mu and SD equals to sigma. Now we will transfer these two equations from x to z. So probability of x minus mu divided by sigma equals to z, that is the transformation from x to z. So z less than 55 minus mu divided by sigma, this is equals to 0.31. This is the first one, and if we transfer this will give you probability of z greater than 64 minus mu divided by sigma, this is equals to 0.08. Now look at this. You are gathering the probability from lower limit is not given, means you are gathering from minus infinity, and this may have some value either positive or negative. Since you are gathering from the leftmost side and you did not cross the half line with 0, that's why the probability is 0.31. That's mean that this number must be in the left side of the distribution, and that's why it is a negative number. And for this case, your lower limit is this one, 64 minus mu divided by sigma, and you are gathering the probability from this point and up to infinity. Still, you have not crossed 0.05, 0.5. That's why you have not started before 0. So that's why this is a number which is after 0. That's why it is a positive number, and this is a negative number. These two things are very important when you are finding the mean and standard deviation through normal distribution. Now look at this. In this case, if we writing probability of 55 minus mu divided by sigma less than z less than 0 up to 0, then this is 0.5 minus 0.31 means 0.19. This is one case, and this one it will start from 0 when 0 less than z less than 64 minus mu divided by sigma, then you will get 0.5 minus 0.08, so you will get 0.42. Now if you compare these two probability with the given information, look, the first one from 0 to this point is 0.42. So this is 64 minus mu divided by sigma value is this one, and this value is 55 minus mu divided by sigma. So 0.496. Okay, 0.496 means 55 minus mu divided by sigma equals to minus 0.496, and this is 64 minus mu divided by sigma equals to 1.405. So these are two equations you have constructed, and involving mu and sigma, and easily you can solve them. And when you solve them, you will get the value mu and sigma. I am writing the value mu and sigma. Mu value equals to 56.269 and 5.769. 5.769 and 56.269. So these are your answer when you are finding the mean and standard deviation through normal distribution. So if you can remember these two, I hope you can easily solve any problem related to normal and standard distribution. Thank you.